Hi everyone, Jackie here with Evolve Holistic, one of your self-care experts, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about emotions and organs. What have we been conditioned to do as a society? Suppress our emotions. It's a big no-no to express them, so what we do, we tuck them and suppress them away in a corner of our body. What happens is as we suppress these emotions, our organs actually hold on to and carry these emotions, which can then manifest itself into certain dysfunctions and diseases. For example, our kidneys, they hold on to fear. Where are they located? Right at your low back. What's a common thing people complain about? Low back pain. It could be something physical, but it could also be you holding on to this fear. Another example, your liver, it holds on to anger. So if you're holding on to this anger and you don't deal with it, that could manifest itself into liver disease or other dysfunctions of the liver. So in my Gut Love workshops, I want to educate and empower you guys on not only how to become aware of which organs carry which emotions, but also what to do with this. How can we release and rid our bodies of this held on to emotional stress? So if you'd like to learn more about this, please join me at one of my Gut Love workshops. I hope to see you there.
Hey everyone! Thank you so much for watching Evolve Holistic. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
We offer tons of classes and workshops as well as destination wellness retreats.
So visit www.evolveholistic.com for more info. And remember,
self-care is the best care!
That's perfect.